Good morning all of you. I Rajiya Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidhyapith, standard 3rd. So students, today we'll start reading time. Worksheet number 14, unit number 3rd. Write the correct time underhand each clock. Now students, here we are having some clock. Instead of that, we have to write the correct time. So students, I'll show you here the clock and then we have to write their correct time. Okay. So in a worksheet number 14, A1 is here, this one is a clock, there is a 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay, this is a clock. Now students, in this clock, this is a minute hands. This minute hands on number 6 and hours hands is on number in between 11 and 14, 11 and 12. So what was the time is the students? So time is half past 11. Time is half past 11. Got my point? B1 question, I'll write it here. Here is a one clock. In that clock, 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Then we have to put the one mark here. Then minutes hands on 6. Hours hands is between 1 and 2. 1 and 12 and 1. Okay. So that time is half past 12. Half past 12. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. This both the clock you have to draw in your maths notebook. Definitely you have to write the answers in the worksheet number 14, but this clock you have to draw in your maths notebook and write the answers there. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next C1th question. So students, in a C1th question, clock is here. We have to draw the one clock and here we have to draw afterward 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Then students, minutes hands on 12. Minutes hands on 12 and hours hands on 3. Now, what is the timing is? So, that's called 3 o'clock. What students? 3 o'clock. This timing is 3 o'clock. Then D1 portion, we have to make one circle students. Then we have to write the 12 here, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. We have to make the circle over here. Now in this, minutes hands on in between 7 and 6. Minutes hands on 6 and hours hands is on 6 and 7 in between. So students, this is a minutes hands, this one is a minutes hands, and this is a hours hands. So timing is 6:30. Timing is students 6:30. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to draw this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so. Your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Even question will start students. Okay students, now next question. Even question is so students, even question. In that question, we have to draw the one clock. We have to write here 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now, in that, minutes hands on 6, minutes hands on 6, hours hands is in between 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So students, answer is half past 3. Answer is half past 3. Then F1 question is we have to write here 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. We have to make one dot here. Then minutes hands on 6. Hours hands is between 7 and 8. 7, 8, 8. So timing is half past 7. Half past 7. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to draw this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start G1 sum. In that students, we have to draw clock 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now students, we have to here minutes ends on 12. Hours ends is in between 11 and 12. 11 and 12. So students, timing is minutes ends on 11 o'clock. So timing is 11 o'clock. Okay. H1 sum. We have to draw one circle. Then we have to write here 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Minutes ends on 6. Minutes ends on a 6. Hours ends is on 1 and 2. It between 1 and 2. So we have to write the answer here. Half past 1. Half past 1. Now I'll give you 1 minute students. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 15. That worksheet is students reading time. Which worksheet is this? Reading time. So in this reading time students, here we are having that write the correct time ahead the each clock. So here minutes hands on 6 and hours hands is between 5 and 6. So we have to write the half past 5, otherwise we have to write the 5:30. What we have to write students? 5:30. Then minutes hands on 6, hours hands in between 3 and 4. So timing is half past 3 or 3:30. Half past 3 or 3:30. Then students, next question is minutes hands on 6, hours hands on 11 and 12. So answer is half past 11 or 11:30. Half past 11 or 11:30. Then minutes hands on 6, hours hands is on 9 and 10. So answer is half past 9 or 9:30. 9 or 9:30. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to draw this and write it down in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next. Next question is, read the word problems and solve the correct time on the clock. Next question is, read the word problems and write the correct times on the clock. So students, here is a word problems is, Minu went for a walk at 7 o'clock in the morning. मीनू है वो मॉर्निंग में 7 o'clock वॉक के लिए जा रही है, ठीक है. She resumed home at 8:30. Show the time when she went for a walk and when she returned home. So Minu went for a clock is 7 o'clock and Minu returned home at 8:30. 8:30. Got it students? Next question is, Raju is making rotis. He kneaded the dough at 5 o'clock and kept in a freezer. He looked the dough out at 5:30. Show how time when she took out the dough. How long did he keep the dough in the freeze? Raju took at which time is that? 5:30. He kept dough in a freezer 13 minutes. Okay students, now you have to write this sum number A, B and C in your maths notebook students. You have to write the here also in your maths notebook also. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 14 and 15. Both the worksheet you have to complete it and send it to me your homework before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.